So, welcome back to my next tutorial, and in this tutorial I will show how to make your model looks better. In the first step we will build shapes. What is a shape? A shape is basically another form than a block. You can give the shape nearly every form you want. So, on this model we will replace the wheels, which are now blocks, by shapes. Blocks don't look good as wheels, so we will replace them. So, how do we do that? We will do this by replacing the dummy blocks we have inside the model, which are here the WL1 and WL right for the beginning, by shapes. So how do we generate a shape? Quite simple. We use the toolbox, open the 10-point shape generator, and pick simply the wheel 18x18 template from the shape templates. So we have our wheel. We give him a thickness of 3 because our wheel has a thickness of 3, and simply press the generate button. We got our text here and the texture here. The texture is needed because our shape uses another format of storing the texture. So we copy the texture and open our skin file with an editor. And place the just a copied file and cut the unneeded parts. You have to place it at the correct spot where the original texture is set, which is here at 18:7 power. And in the next step we take the text output here and copy it into Eclipse. Also at the correct spot. And we also have to give it an offset, which is 9 minus 9 minus 1.5 foxtrot. The fox is needed because it's a float variable, and to define it as float it needs the f here. No minus is needed here in front of the first because it's a shape. Shapes are different to blocks. Blocks need a minus, shape don't. So we take this and use it also for the left one. Paste. And let's have a look inside the game. Do I have stored this file? I think I haven't saved the texture now, so I have to save the texture first. Tutorial. Tutorial package assets, transmode skin. Export, yes. So now we can have a look at it, and if we now have a look at our model, as you can see, voila, here we have our shape. Doesn't it look good? So we do this for all the other wheels we have. First we took the second large one down here, same way, template 14 to 14, 3, and copy the texture, paste it inside the model file, cut the unneeded part and move it to the correct spot. Grab the code, it's part number 11 of the wheels. It's here. Paste it. Set the offset of 7, minus 7, minus 1.5 F, and copy that also to the right track. Then we do the same for the small wheels down here. We have a side of 42422. The shape templates 4, thickness 2, generate, copy to clipboard, paste here, cut the unneeded parts, and copy the text, paste it into the code, set the offset for 1, minus 2, and minus 1. Take this whole code and then just copy it all over the other wheels, which have all the same size. And then we have also do this for the left track. So, few wheels left, and these wheels are up here and have the size 332. And if you look at the shape templates, well, no 4, but no 3, but well, we just can modify this by making it just one smaller. So now we have a little bit smaller version of the 4-wheel, and also generate, copy the texture, paste the texture, cut the unneeded part, move it to the correct place, copy the text, paste it here, set up the offset, which is 1.5 float, minus 1.5 float, and minus 1. And then simply copy this at the other places. Because the wheels have all the same size, you can simply copy it. And we also do it for the right track. So, export the skin again to save these changed parts and run Minecraft. So, as you can see now, all parts, all wheels are now set and changed against change shapes. This is the first step to make your model looking better. I will show you how to build shape boxes and stuff like that within the next tutorial. So bye bye and see you next time.